Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's date is 10th of November 2022 and today's topic is MVC. So here MVC is Model View Controller. So here we are going to discuss about the model, view and controller. So first of all, what is model? The central component of the pattern. It is the application's dynamic data structure. It is independent of user interface. It directly manages data, logic and rules of the application. In Smalltalk 80, the design of the model type is left entirely to the programmer. With the web object Rails, Django, a model type typically represent the table in the application. Now, what is view? Any representation such as chart, diagram or table. The multiple views of the same information are possible, such as bar chart for the management and a tabular view of accountant. View is just the visual representation of a model and does not handle user input. With the web objects, a view represents a complete user interface element such as a menu or a button, and it does receive the input from the user. However, views are meant to be the general purpose and composable. With the Rails and Django, the role of view is played by the HTML template, so their schema is a view specifies in a browser and user interface rather than representing the user interface with Git directly. The approach puts the relatively emphasis on the small composable views. Next is the controller. It accepts the input and converts it to the command for the model or view. It is a controller that handles the user input events such as button presses, the mouse movement. At any given time, each controller has one associated view and model. Although Although one model object may hear from the many different controllers and only the controller that is active controller. This is about the MVC model, that is model, view and controller. That's it. Thank you.